In 2017, cryptocurrency was not so common and hence many people were not interested in it. But now investing in cryptocurrency is becoming common and we are suddenly seeing advertisements on YouTube and TV about investing in cryptocurrencies and trading in cryptocurrencies and all. So, if you are also interested in investing in cryptocurrency, or if you simply want to know more about cryptocurrency, or if you are curious about how it works, then please watch this video till end and don't forget to subscribe this channel if you want to receive more updates regarding cryptocurrency, Bitcoin and blockchain. So, first of all, we will try to understand what is cryptocurrency with a very simple example. To understand cryptocurrency, let's say there are two friends, Ramesh and John. Ramesh has to give John $10 for some kind of work. Instead of giving $10, Ramesh gives a candy worth $10 to John and John accepts that candy instead of $10. Now, John and Ramesh can be anywhere in the world, and it is really difficult for them to keep the actual candy with them. So, they decide to convert this candy into a digital candy. So, now what is this digital candy? And you might also think that this digital candy can be copied and pasted several number of times, and it is very easy to make a copy of such digital thing, as you can make a copy of any image, you can make copy of any video, and you can send it to different persons. So that candy worth $10 can easily be copied on digital platform, and hence to avoid copying and misuse of the digital candy worth $10, they decided to make a documentation with information of the transaction in a computer. So they simply created a document where they made an entry in the spreadsheet. That entry can be something like Ramesh gave one digital candy worth $10 to John. So this can be a simple entry in the ledger. Now this ledger is maintained by a single person and that person can mess up or muddle with the entries. Here comes a revolutionary solution in which this ledger will be stored and maintained in multiple computers on the internet. So instead of saving the ledger in one computer only, which can be messed up by a single user, that ledger will automatically be stored on many computers on the internet. So Ramesh gave one digital candy worth $10 to John. This entry will be stored in all the computers on the network. When Ramesh gave one digital candy to John, now how many candies does John have now? Such type of information will be stored on every computer on the network. So if on any particular computer, if a single person tries to change the entries in his computer, then that change will be mismatched in all the computers and that change will not be validated because in other computers a different entry will be there. So now with the help of this Ramesh and John's example, we will try to understand different terms associated with cryptocurrency. So first term is cryptocurrency. So the digital candy that we are talking here is cryptocurrency. It is a secret currency. Crypto means secret and currency means medium of purchase of goods and services. You must have read and heard about various cryptocurrencies. such as Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, and different type of other coins. Now this public ledger, which is maintained by many computers on the network, is known as a peer-to-peer network or person-to-person network. And many computers together are maintaining a public ledger. Not a single computer, but many computers on the network are maintaining this public ledger. This belongs to everyone on the network. How this P2P network works? So behind this P2P network, there is this extraordinary technology called blockchain. What is a blockchain? A blockchain simply means chain of blocks, just like a train. So in a train, when one block is filled, another block is added to carry goods or passengers. In a similar way, when transactions in one block are complete, then another block is added. An important thing is every transaction in the new block is linked with the transaction in the previous block. So there's a link created between every blocks. This means every block is connected in form of a chain with the other block, and hence the term blockchain is given. This blockchain is not just available in one computer, but it is available in all the computers on the network with complete transparency. This is the main thing. With complete transparency, it is available on all the networks. If someone tries to do a fraud or cheating, it will be tracked. So no one will be able to do a fraud or cheating in this network. If Ramesh has 2 bitcoins and he gives 1 bitcoin to John, then every computer on the network starts working and checks if Ramesh actually has 2 bitcoin, and based on his previous transactions it is checked, and if the validation is correct, 1 bitcoin will be given to John. Now John will have 1 extra bitcoin, and now previous transactions of John will be checked and his balance will be updated accordingly. The transaction is completed within a few seconds with complete accuracy. Now, people maintaining these ledgers are also known as miners. So, they are not manually maintaining these ledgers, they run mining software on their computer. And the complete process of maintaining the information and validating the transactions is known as mining. For the time and the money that miners are investing in the process of mining, they get a reward in that particular currency. So, if you want to become a miner, you can also earn some cryptocurrency. The computers on which mining can be done efficiently have multiple GPUs or graphic cards. Mining can also be done with the help of CPUs or with the help of GPUs. How much your computer can make in mining depends upon the configuration of your computer. People are creating rigs in mining farms to mine cryptocurrency. We have a dedicated video about types of computers suitable for mining. Now, coming back to blockchain and cryptocurrency, you might think that there is no privacy in the network about transactions. How much money an individual has is visible to everyone. But here comes a strong pillar to cryptocurrency, which is called cryptography. Cryptography, as the name suggests, it simply means everything is encoded. This is one of the most important aspects of cryptocurrency. All the transactions are in encoded form, and no one can really figure out money one particular individual has. But everything is validated with the help of these special mining softwares.